So today we're making junk collages. I sent you a picture of one, and so I thought I'd make one because it sounded really fun. So I went out to my garage and into my trash can. Make sure you ask Mom and Dad. And I got a bunch of junk. But I do have some paints, some watercolors, some crayons, glue, tape, some things that I might need. Because a collage is a piece of art that we make onto a piece of backing. We stick things onto a backing. So my backing is a cereal box. So I just cut it out. And I found some bubble wrap, and I thought, oh, I might just stick some bubble wrap onto my backing. So I'm just going to use a little bit of tape. And so I'm sticking it on here. And then I just used some crayons and did some coloring. I'm thinking I want to make something happy because right now a lot of people are sick and we're at home and we're sad because we can't go to school. So I thought I'm going to use happy colors. So the first thing I thought, well, maybe you can do anything you want. A collage is just putting anything you want onto a piece of paper. So let's just try it. I thought I'm gonna try and use watercolors and see if I could color the bubble wrap. Now I don't know if that's gonna work. So, look, it just colors it a little bit. Let's see, I'll just use a bunch of color. Let me try some orange. Now you might not have bubble wrap at home, and that's okay. You have to find what you have at home. Some red. And try a little bit of green on the top. Just make it all kinds of pretty colors. Some yellow. Doing it kind of fast because I want to show you what else I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to stop right there, and I could finish that later. All right, next. I found some styrofoam in my garage, and I cut out a heart already. So I'm going to put some glue on my heart because this is a happy collage. I'm going to put it on my glue, and where should I put it? I'm going to put it right in the middle because I think when I hold up my collage, I want it to look like this. All right, what else do I have? Well, I have a magazine. I could cut some pictures out. It says live happy. Ooh, I like that. So I'm going to cut that out. Cut it out. I like the words, so I'm just going to cut out the words. The flowers are pretty too, but because remember we said magazines aren't something you normally can recycle. There are places you can recycle magazines, but you want to always use magazines for some fun things. So I might do it like this. Live happy. I found a matched up bow. I thought, oh, that's pretty. I'm just going to cut some pieces of it, and I can just glue it all around my collage. The collage I sent you had a big trash truck in the middle because you're making a trash collage. You could draw pictures on your collage, but a collage is when you glue things down usually. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm just gonna put, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna put 5 drops of glue on my collage. And just decorate it. 1, 2. You guys are so good at this. You usually do this in class, so I know you know what you're doing. Okay, now, ooh, remember this? We cannot recycle plastic wrap. So I thought, what could I do with that? Let's see, I'm gonna bunch it up and make a pretty flower. Put a little bit of glue on there so it stands up. Let's see if that'll work. I'll put my finger in there. Ooh, my videographer, I should call it, is laughing at my collage. It's not very nice, Mackenzie. She says I have, how many minutes, Mackenzie, do I have? I have 1 more minute. Okay, collage. She thinks that this is not so pretty, but collages are whatever you make. So here's my collage so far. I think I might spruce it up with a little glitter. So I'm going to put a few little wiggles of glitter. So I have some glitter here. I don't even know how to open this. This is Holland's. Oh, there we go. I'm going to shake it onto my paper. I'm in my kitchen, so I can wipe this down if I need to. And then I'll shake it off. How about I shake it off into here, and then I'm almost done with my collage. I don't know. There's my Live Happy collage. I hope you do one too. Send it to me. Bye, friends.